Hello world, my name is Joseph. I'm from Uganda and this is my final project for CS50P. I have implemented Conway's Game of Life for the command line with a few customization options. To begin, I'm just going to run the program without any flags, and when I do, I get a random grid here, a random game, and I can prove that that's the case by running that again, and I get another random one. I can pass, using the -- default, the name of the grid that I want to see. If I don't want a random one and I know the name already, I can do that, and you can see here that I have a hammerhead. If I don't like the fancy border around the game, I can pass the -- basic to display the game as simple text. I can also, using the I flag, specify the number of iterations that I would like for the game, and in this case that's 10. Those cells are moving too fast for me, and so I would like a 1-second pause between iterations by using the -- pause. If I press enter, I do in fact get 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. I can also decide how to represent dead and alive cells by passing -- symbols. In this case, dead is tilde, alive is caret. I press enter, and there we go. Playing with that idea, I can choose to represent my alive cells with this and my dead cells with that, kind of asymmetric lengths, if you will. And if I press enter, I do get some interesting patterns. For example, this kind of rug on the right hand side, and this does look like the sea with, like, I don't know, boats or something, buoys maybe. Of course, I can also change the color of my cells by passing -- color. In this case, dead will be black and alive will be white. And that is the case. Here is a more exciting colorway with dead cells being gray and alive cells being orange. Even more interestingly, I can provide a text file that already has a predefined grid that I myself have made by using the -- file name and the name of the text file, whose contents are on the screen right now. It really is just the stars represent alive cells. I don't have to do the dead cells. If I have space, they will be replaced by dead cells automatically. Okay, so if I press enter, we'll get that. And as you can see from the summary down there, the original generation does in fact match our representation in the file. And that is Conway's Game of Life on the command line. Thank you for watching, and of course, this is CS50.